Here it is, the van in all its glory. We gotta find a name for her, but Patricia. We're gonna call her Patricia. So everyone, meet Patricia. Hello there. If you don't know already, my name is Chase, and I just moved to Australia for 6 months to adventure around and explore this beautiful country while my 20s last. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what the first 2 weeks of this journey looked like, as well as all the various challenges and obstacles we had to overcome just finding our footing in a new country. Again, thanks for taking a look at today's video. Hope you enjoy. Just made it. Got our rental car. A bit tired, but it's all right. We're on our way up to the Sunshine Coast now. Landed in Brisbane. Just gonna go land at our spots. Yeah, then just figure it out from here. But next order of business is go. Before we get into all that,
Chase, why did you want to go to Australia?
well, let me tell you. Here's a fun fact. I was actually born here. What? Sound effect. In a little town called Victor Harbor in South Australia. I know, it's pretty random, but when I was born, my parents were over here on a working visa, chasing some sort of adventurous avenue in their life, quite like me. With that, for most of these past 3 years, I felt some sort of supernatural pull to be back here. And to be completely honest, I still don't know why. But we're here to find out, aren't we? And for a bit more context, I've been saving up this whole year to be able to come here and do what I've been able to do so far and what I want to do for the future, hence the van and much, much more. So it's been in the dream directory for a while. But anyways, let's go back to the video. Next order of business is drop our stuff off and get some food. All right. Right after landing and getting our stuff all situated at our accommodations, my family friend invited us out on the boat to just get a little scurfing in to wash our travels off. And I kid you not, this is one of the best feelings in the world when you get off a plane or a 14-hour, 10-hour flight or whatever and hop in the water and get a board gliding under your feet in 70-degree weather. So enjoy a little Sunshine Coast Aussie scurf with the friends. We're on day 2 of our Australian adventure. We're thriving. We're settling in. Got some great sleep last night. Hold on, let me check. Let me just show you the sleep score. Look at that. It says 96, 8 hours and 15 minutes. Like, can't get much better than that, bro. I mean, oh shucks, dude. Just stepped on my camera bag, bro. It's currently 6:52 a.m. Just gonna get moving. Gonna loosen up the body before we start the day, have a coffee, probably gonna edit a video, so gotta get that done and then look at a van today. I've been on the van search, on the van hunt. That's my kind of overarching goal, at least for this first couple of weeks, to find a van and build it out so we can live out of it, baby. Can have a little van life, Starlink. Dude, I'm excited, but yeah, gotta do that first. Gonna move around and Day 3, or day 2, got done with that work this morning, and now I'm going on a run with my beautiful lady, and then gonna go check out a van. So I'm excited, but it's gonna be a good time. So We have officially secured the van, or not yet officially, but we're driving to go secure the van. I went to go check it out yesterday, and it just shaped up to be a really good van, 4-wheel drive. It's not kitted out with anything, so I'm gonna have to do most of the conversion myself, but I'm really excited, and yeah, gonna go get the money right now, and then we're gonna go purchase the van, and I'll make sure to film it, and I'm stoked. Just You heard right. Here's some more Chase lore for you. So about this time last year, I'd just come back from my biggest Europe trip yet. And oh boy, was the travel bug infecting me more than ever. After my 2022 gap year here in the Sunshine Coast, I just absolutely fell in love with this place. I was dreaming of going back early 2024, but due to financial reasons, I was broke. It was not the right season to come. So this idea lived rent-free in my head for the time being. Although, it consumed me day by day as I was working my full-time job. It was all I could think about. I didn't expect it to be so infectious and just absolutely captivate every thought. About 3 months before the planned departure, while budgeting out this next year, it hit me like a truck. A supernatural voice in my head saying, "Chase, why don't you just buy a van?" I tell you, the rush of joy that came over me in that moment, absolutely indescribable. So, from that day forward, it was my mission to come to Australia and buy a van. That's it. Here at the van, got the money. We're gonna go check it out. All right. 100%. So everyone, meet Patricia. In the van, baby. There she is, in all her glory. Okay. So today we are gonna get some stuff for the van. I'm actually super excited. I just oh man, almost dreaming about it. Oh. So if you couldn't tell already, this was my first time actually ever purchasing a car. And it was also one of the biggest purchases I've ever made in my life. Full of emotions after buying such a beauty were very intense. And honestly, I'm still riding that high today. Anyways, in theme with what I said, I'm gonna get some stuff for the van. That will be a common occurrence throughout these next couple months. And because I have to build and customize it out myself, there's an absolute endless amount of things I need. And my net worth is not very happy. But to follow a dream, that's just priceless. Now let's get back to Australian daily life. All right, so we're on our way to the Goth Babe concert in Brisbane. His latest album was probably the best I've ever seen. Here we go. We are in the city of Brisbane. It's officially been a week since we've gotten here to Oz. Got old patty cake. But yeah, I got to play some pickleball today, which I'm stoked on. It was against a bunch of probably 60-year-old and up, but it's been a while since I played pickleball, so it was just a fun way to get back into it. Well, oh my gosh. Hold on, look how beautiful it is. It has been a huge blessing to be in such a beautiful place. However, it doesn't mean everything's exactly easy. Starting a new life in any place comes with challenges, and to be honest, we've had a fair few. Although, without challenges, how do you know you're truly growing? This is an idea I'm still looking to entirely grasp, but as each day goes by, I can truly see the fruit in it. My dream as of now is to travel down the east coast of Australia to see and surf as much of it as I can. To do this, I'm gonna need to build out the van, and I'm gonna show you guys this process in the next couple videos, so stay tuned. Anyways, thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. My name's Chase, and I'm just a kid trying to follow his dreams. Catch you later.